Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite error pack is invalid. The first thing I want you to do is actually just go ahead and open up your Epic Games launcher and then just scroll down. You see Fortnite, click on these three dots right here and you'll get all of these options. Come here and click on manage. Okay. And from here, what I want you to do is hit this icon right here to open the installation location. Right? Open this up. What I want you to do is just go ahead and open a Fortnite game, open content, open packs, and I want you to filter by size. So we have the largest on the top and the smaller files at the bottom. Make sure you see this one right here, the file extensions. We need to look for global.utOC. Okay, it's a UTOC file. If you don't see the extensions, what I want you to just come here and hit view, hit show, and click on this file name extension so it shows up. But basically what I need you to do is highlight everything after global.utoc. Go ahead and delete everything, right? Delete everything that is beneath it all the way to the bottom, and then go back, click on the three dots, hit manage, and click on verify. So it will verify the files, and usually it fixes the error. Okay, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.